Hi everyone, I'm Gagan and I'm excited to introduce you to Harneet, a modern, full-featured programming language I've been developing that combines powerful capabilities with beginner-friendly design. So what is Harneet? Harneet is a comprehensive interpreted programming language with clean syntax inspired by Go and modern language features. This is a serious programming language with sophisticated capabilities that can handle any real-world applications. So the next question comes is, why did I create Harneet? I wanted to prove that powerful doesn't have to be mean complicated. Most languages force you to choose between simplicity and capability. Harneet gives you both. A modern language with advanced features that's still approachable for newcomers. What makes Harneet powerful? It has a very sophisticated standard library. We have 12 built-in modules with over 50 functions, advanced datetime operations with time zone conversion for 33 plus locales, cron scheduling and timer systems, file input logging and system operations. We also have Go style error handling with explicit error checking, no silent failures. We have support for ES6 style arrow functions alongside traditional function declarations. We also have runtime assertions for robust debugging. For more on Harneet, I'll suggest you visit us at harneetlang.com, or if you just want to see the docs, please visit docs.harneetlang.com. So now let us take a look at the code. Here I am in an empty directory. What I'll do is I'll create a new file called intro.ha. HA is the file extension for Harneet programming language. And every Harneet program begins with a package name, just like in Go. So I need to define a new package called main. Imports are the same as in Go, so I can say import fmt, and then I'll create a new function. Unlike Go, we wanted to make sure that we are using function instead of the func keyword. So now I'll say greet and I'll pass the name as a string, and I'll say fmt dot println. I'll say hello, and then I'll say name. And every every package also has a main function, and then I can say greet and then I can run this program. It says hello Gagan. Now in Harneet, what I can also do is I can have I can have imports in the same line. So now if I wanted to say os.exit 1, I can do the same. Now it is exiting. Also, if I don't use this OS package, then if I run Harneet, I'll get a warning, unused import os at intro.ha. So basically it is telling us, hey, you are importing it, but you are not using it anywhere. So why import it as well? Okay, so what we also have is, so let me do one more thing. So if I have this kind of thing, we do have linter support in Harneet as well. So what I can do is I can say Harneet lint, and my file is called intro.ha. And the lint can take in a lint can take in a file name as well as a directory. And then what I can do is I'll say auto format. Auto format will auto format this file with sensible defaults. We have inbuilt sensible defaults, but if you wanted to pass in your own formatting, you can also pass in. For that, I'll show you in a later video. But now when I run this one, see, it says import OS. Again, it gives you a warning that import is not being used, unused import. And now if I do a reload here, oh, it did that one. So this is a bug. So yeah, but notice that if I had this one and if I ran the code again, Harneet lint intro.ha auto format. Okay, now if I reload this one, yeah, notice, see that it automatically formatted it. But I think I'm missing a use case where if the function is defined like this one, then it needs to go to the 2 lines. And there is one other bug that I see, that if there are already 2 lines, then it should not add 2 more lines again. Yeah, so that is the intro to Harneet. I'll keep on adding more introductions to Harneet programming language so that anybody who wishes to use Harneet can use it. Please note, as of now, Harneet is not even pre-alpha, it's pre-alpha. So there are still some things that have to happen before Harneet is production ready. Thank you so much. Have a good rest of your day.